During the 2026 breeding season, Fotherdale lost a legend. Dryer, resident male barn owl and loyal partner to Gylfie. Together they raised 9 chicks of their own and even a foster chick. Thousands of you fell in love with his funny antics on the feeding post, clumsy courtship, and fascination with eggs. Lots of you enjoyed the moment when Dryer could hear a chick peeping inside its egg and tried feeding it a vole. And his obsession with his own reflection. But to truly understand why his loss hurt so much, we have to go back to the very beginning. Dryer's life began with a survival story so remarkable. Without a stroke of luck and a life-saving rescue involving Gene Thorpe, his legacy nearly didn't happen at all. This is that story. Right then, Gene, so just before you came I found Dryer underneath the trees on the ground face down. So something has knocked him down, either potentially a bigger bird of prey or even a car, and it's made it out onto the field.
Yeah. But what a life he's had, isn't he?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, a lot of people don't know why it's called Dryer.
No.
Dryer actually came from Gene Thorpe, and just tell us where Dryer was actually.
Yeah, Dryer. I got a phone call from a farmer near York, and they'd bought a corn dryer, and it came on the back of a lorry, and stood in their yard for at least a week. And he heard a sound in it, and he thought, oh, it's rats or something like that. And he went and had a look, and there was barn owl chicks in it. I went straight for him and took him straight to vets. It was touch and go. One died on the way to the vets, one died at the vets. The vet put fluid, it was Hannah that did it, put fluid under the skin.
Which literally saved their lives.
Yeah, which literally saved their lives. And I came home, and then every 2 hours, for the next 48 hours, I syringe fed them with rehydration fluid.
Yeah.
So we don't feed them straight away.
No, you can't give them food when they're like that, because that does kill them. Yeah.
And then they got going, and then once they got going properly and they were flying in the neighbourhood, you got them.
Yeah, and we actually released them from Elmston.
Yeah, we did. Because they knew what dead day old chicks were and knew supplementary feed them. So we knew that they would recognise the food. That's the thing with most wild birds.
Yeah.
If you feed out, chicks, they don't recognise them as food.
No.
So you've got to get them onto that first, and then once they come to you, you'll supplementary feed them, and then away they went. I mean, they weren't difficult once you got them, were they?
So I think that year I released a batch of owls.
Yeah.
So Finn actually was one of those, and this was in 2019, so this is 7 years ago, and Finn actually bred with Gylfie first, and sadly we lost Finn in a water trough. And then Dryer took up Gylfie as the partner, and he was absolutely useless, to be fair, at the beginning, wasn't he?
Yeah, he didn't know one end from other, really.
No, but Gylfie trained him up,
and
got him to be it's just a brilliant owl. Both of those owls, I mean, that's the thing, people get to see them on camera and get to know them.
And know the story, and it was a story,
yeah.
Because those young birds wouldn't have survived if we hadn't been involved in it.
Well, they're looked after for so long. People don't realise when a young bird fledges the nest how long they're actually looked after.
Yeah, so particularly owls.
With a barn owl, it's weeks,
weeks.
At least a month.
Yeah.
When I'm watching bullfinches at the moment, I've watched robins. They're still looking after their chicks 3 weeks after fledging and feeding them.
Yeah.
So something bigger like a barn owl, that's much more of a commitment. It could be 4 weeks, 8 weeks that they're still involved with these chicks.
So there's quite a story. He's got a wonderful story that nobody would have known about if we hadn't.
Yeah.
And ringing him helps, doesn't it? Because then at least you know.
Yeah. Well, that's the beauty of ringing it. I mean, early stages when I was into conservation, I always wondered about ringing. Is it actually necessary? But we wouldn't know any of this without doing it.
No.
We've had so many success stories with owls that would have literally died.
Yeah, they would.
Without as
well.
well.
Second chancing them all the time, aren't you? Just giving them a second chance and hope that they take it. Can look at their lives, can't we? And they don't know that all this is going on. They don't know you're filming them or you're showing people.
They don't even really know that we help them.
No,
probably.
no. But that's how it should be, isn't it? Don't you think?
Well, they know I feed them, because when I come on a night, You know, I mean, I'll miss seeing Dryer on an evening, because he literally comes right
Yeah.
in. I can be stood there and throw a chick down for him, and he'll come
He'll
and
come and get it.
come and get it.
Yeah. It's sad that he's gone, but I mean, 7 years it's a good life for a wild bird.
It's not bad, is it? Yeah.
And he's had a good life here. Bred, you know, reared young. I mean, that's what it's all about for a wild bird, isn't it? His legacy goes on, doesn't it? So thank you.
No, well, it's just it's a success story, but a sad story, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is when you lose them. Yeah.
yeah.
You know, you've known all about his life, haven't you?
People love him. You
Yeah,
know,
of course
it's
they
like
do.
all
Of
over the
course they
world.
do.
It's crazy.
Yeah, because it's a secret life that they live normally that we never get anywhere near, do we?